impormasyon sa loob at labas ng Region 3.
It has changed the way of life for everybody.
Released its resolution number 30.
Tayo sa
Kami ang kauna-unahang all-digital news outfit sa gitnang Luzon.
Good morning, Central Luzon!
Online, www.centralluzonbalita.com. On social media, Facebook, IG, YouTube at Twitter. Live streaming, First Wave, Talking Points at iba pa.
Ito, baka magkaroon tayo dito kasi
Kami ang Central Luzon Balita News and Current Affairs Group.